Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the ZV-1F from Sony. I'm videoing with the Sony camera right now as we speak. The actual unboxing of the Sony camera, it would be with the handy dandy Android phone. So keep in mind that the quality is going to vary and the lighting is going to be horrible because I didn't even have my lights on when I videoed this. So let's get with it and see what's inside this box. User manuals, registrations, and stuff like that. Windscreen. USB-A to USB-C. And the meat and potatoes. It does not come with a SD card. Oh wow, what a little battery. This battery is tiny, but some reviews saying they last up to 2 hours. Still yet, you're doing a big function, like slamming up a vent or something like that. Be best to get extra batteries. 36 volt. It is 1,240 milliamp. Yeah, definitely get another or a couple more batteries. I forgot to hook up my mic, by the way. She is tiny. And she's upside down too. Does have a hot shoe here. It's not hot, I don't think. It's just, well, let's just call it a hot shoe anyway. It's where your windscreen slides in there and holds that. But you can actually put a mic in there and tighten it down. So I'm not sure if the hot shoe means for external flash or that's just what it's called on all of them. Notice from the ZV-F or ZV-1 and the ZV-1F, the F, they moved the tripod mount to the side. That way you get better access to the battery. The ZV-1 was in the middle here. It's kind of cumbersome for people. And there's your battery tray, and it takes a full-size SD card. Yeah, it don't clip in. There's a little lever here. Almost looks like an old on and off button. Just slide it and it locks it in. Oh my god, I just looked up at my lighting. My lighting's horrible. I hope you can see that real good. Let me charge the battery up, and I'll do a review in the next battery. And in the next battery, I'll do a review in the next video. I'll get some footage and show you all the quality. So there you have it, folks. We now know what's inside the box. It does not come with an SD card, although it is an excellent camera. And in terms of milliamp and a battery, you might want to pick up a couple extra batteries for it for when you're creating out there in the field. So if you like this kind of content, give me a like and subscribe and help my little tiny channel grow.